everybody, I haven't been here for a very long time. I've just got back from Romford. I got a new purchase, which is the Oral-B toothbrush with travel case, and obviously it's from Boots. I won't show you the top because it would tell you where I live. But I'm from Essex, but I'm not telling you my address. So yeah, I wanted to upgrade my toothbrush because basically it is grubby and I just fancy the change. I hope you didn't see that. I've just been really busy doing things. Like out and about with my partner, who's now my fiance, obviously. So yeah, I thought I'd get a brand new. There he is. Oh, you can have that box. Sorry, my partner is doing things on Vinted, and I'm going to keep that box so he can send bits in it. So let's move this little wee doggy out of the way. My dog's just there staring at me because he's thinking, what the bloody hell is she talking about? So this is the one I've got. One simple touch, free cleaning mode, save your favourite one. And it also has a timer to help you brush for the dentist's recommended amount of time, which is excellent because I've been using my phone currently, and it makes a loud noise, so it'd be interesting to see how this would change. And it says it's got an, I'll show you the back. So on the back it tells you some information. It looks pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to turn you around now so you can see me unboxing my new toothbrush, which is so exciting. Right, I'm back, so you get a bit of seeing what this is all about. So I can't remember what colour I got. Did it tell you what colour I got? I'm so sorry, I keep forgetting. It looks like a fiery, like a creamy colour. Anyway, this is the back of the box. It tells you all about it. The Gentle Care brush head, which is this. My one is currently dirty, and I think I've got one of these, but it's an older version. It's got an automatic gum pressure sensor, one simple touch, the timer, which I absolutely loved, and also designed in Germany and built to last. So we'll see about that. And if I flip it over, it tells you what's inside. So obviously your toothbrush and your travel case. So this is when you're clean. Oral-B Smart Brittles fade to white, indicating that, so if it's white, it means you need to change it as soon as possible. Down here, I'll have to do that later, you register your product, and we're back to the front. So further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I'm just going to put my phone like that because this box looks very difficult to open. So I'm going to try and do it like this. Right, here we go. So, sorry about that. So basically, I've undone the box now. Let's see what's inside. I think it's the wrong way. It's the wrong way. So I'm gonna. Here it comes. Ooh, it says, this is a nice box. It says, congratulations, Get ready to protect, clean, made easy. Exclusive savings there, so I'll probably keep that. On the back, it obviously says cover your refill brush head with toothpaste. Tells you how to brush your teeth. So that's interesting. And then in the box we have the toothbrush. It's a really nice colour, guys. Let's get this out of the box. And then I can have my lunch because I've only just got back. And my partner keeps saying, stop spending all your money, because an update about our life. We're actually buying a house, which is very exciting. But you have to keep saving. And of course, when I see a new buy, I have to buy it. There we go. So this is what it looks like. And you press that and it's off. I think the bottom, no, the bottom bit doesn't do anything. It's a really nice colour. I really like. I can't wait to try that. And this is your travel case, which I want a travel case because I'm fed up using the normal toothbrushes, because you have to keep replacing it. When if you've got a travel electric one, you can just stick it in this case and away you go. So let's have a look inside. I did that, guys, with one hand. So that is what it looks like. So I think you put your toothbrush in there, I think. And I don't know how it works, but I'm sure I'll figure out how it works. Because, oh, and also it comes with a new one, the toothbrush head thing. So that's quite interesting. You know, you never know when you'll need a spare. I think that one goes in, I don't know how it fucking works. Excuse my language, guys. And here's the instructions. It tells you all about how it works. I'm not going to go through all of that because you know how a toothbrush works. And last thing in here, we have a toothbrush holder. So obviously we have one of these because in England we watch a lot of horror movies, and when you put electric stuff in the bath, that's what happens. So there we go. So that's everything in the box, guys. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to put the head on for you as well. I'm back, guys. So basically, sorry about the knife and everything. I'm not moving it because it's too heavy. But that is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to use this toothbrush and get rid of mine. So yeah, it's going to be very exciting. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and watch loads of my other videos. Lots of love. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.